In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Amazon account balance. This is especially helpful if you use Amazon gift cards. If someone has sent you a gift card by email, or if you've redeemed a code in the past and want to know how much you have left to spend. We'll walk through the process slowly so you know exactly where to click. And I'll also point out a couple of related options you might find useful once you're on the right page. First, make sure you're signed into your Amazon account on a web browser. This can be on a computer or a mobile browser, but the layout is usually easiest to follow on a laptop or desktop. Once you're logged in, look towards the very top right corner of the page. You should see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Don't click yet. Instead, move your mouse over that label and hover on it for a moment. When you hover over Account and Lists, a drop-down menu will appear with a lot of different options related to your account. From this menu, you want to look for and select the Account option. Go ahead and click on Account to open your main account settings page. On the Account page, you'll see a collection of tiles or sections, each one dedicated to a different area of your account. Take a moment to scroll if you need to, and look for the tile labeled Gift Cards. This is the section where Amazon groups everything related to your gift card activity and your stored balance. Click on the Gift Cards tile. This will take you to a dedicated gift card page. At the top of this page, you'll see a heading that shows your gift card balance, followed by the amount currently available in your account. This is the balance you can use toward eligible purchases at checkout. Right near that balance, you'll also see two useful options. One to reload your balance and another to redeem a gift card. Reloading your balance lets you add funds from a payment method like a debit or credit card, while redeeming a gift card lets you enter a code from a physical or digital Amazon gift card and add it to your account. Once you've checked your balance and explored those options, you're done. That's all you need to do to view your Amazon account balance.